Dear students, very good morning to all of you, all my class 10th students. Now here I am Manoj Mishra from Alpine Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now, in previous video we have learned about the working with files and folders from chapter 3, unit 3. This is the information technology. Now here we are going to learn about maintenance of a computer. Means how to maintain a computer. Where you can see maintenance of a computer. So dear student, now here you can see maintenance of a computer is the practice of keeping a computer dust and debris free. This means if you are using the computer, so first of all your first duty is with the computer that you should clean all the dust related to the computers, whatever the dust, whatever the circumstances, the criteria you are finding with your system's computer, there is dust, there is cleaning problems. So first of all you should go and clear all the things. Next thing, a computer may not run properly if dust is accumulated on it. If your computer having dust, not running properly, not working properly, so air cooling is one of the reasons for dust accumulations, and thus if the cooling system is not filtered regularly, it may lead to short circuit and overheating. So regular cleaning of a computer is required to avoid such problems. Regular maintenance of computer is needed for the following reasons. So here you can see computers should always run smoothly, very well, and nobody wants a short circuit or a virus attack in his or her computer system. So the outside area of a computer must be kept clean. If the monitor will contain too much dust, it will cause an eye strain, so it is necessary to disinfect the computer on a regular basis. Next one, the unwanted software and applications must be removed, as these occupy a lot of memory space. Freeing up space will enable the computer to work fast. Next, it is necessary to take a backup of the data in case something goes wrong, and antivirus software should always be updated to keep the computer free from virus and worms. So dear students, these lines are saying that if you want to run your computer very smoothly, work with the computers very smoothly, first of all clean your computer. If any dust will be found with the monitor, then that monitor will create the problem with your eyes. Eyes interaction with the monitor is regularly with your computer, so that's why you should maintain, you should clean your monitor also. Okay. Next thing, cleaning computer components. How to clean the computer components? This is must, you should know. It is necessary to keep the components of computer clean as it helps in their smooth functioning, and some computer components that require regular cleaning are. So here is the CPU. First of all, you should clean your CPU. How to? The CPU is the component of computer that may lead to overheating in case of dust accumulation. Hence, to avoid such situations, it is necessary to clean the case of CPU and check whether the fan is working properly or not. Next one is keyboard. If you eat while working on a computer, there are chances that food particles may go inside the keyboard. Okay, so to remove such particles and dust from the keyboard, pressurized air is used. A computer cleaner may be used to clean the keys of the keyboard. A disinfectant may be used to sanitize the whole keyboard. Okay. Next is monitor. More dust on the computer screen may cause strain to eyes. One can use monitor while so the mouse should always be clean so that it can run smoothly on the surface, and the mouse should always be clean from the top surface also. It can be cleaned with the help of plastic friendly cleaner. One should not damage the laser at the bottom of the mouse while cleaning it. You should mind that if you are cleaning the mouse, then there is the laser up the down bottom of the mouse. You should not disturb those things actually, not disturb laser rays actually. If you will find problems with that one, your computer never work properly. Okay, your mouse not working properly. So next one is preparing maintenance schedule. You should maintain a schedule for maintenance of your computer. Okay, so how? A computer needs regular maintenance to keep things running. A computer can do lots of things for us, but to get work done efficiently, it needs help from us or from an IT solution provider. It is necessary to maintain a checklist to keep it up to date. The updating may be done on a regular basis or weekly or quarterly or sometimes yearly to keep the computer running at its best. The maintenance schedule is explained as follows. Now here some updates such as antivirus updating, deleting temporary files from the internet, deleting temporary files from the Windows should be done daily. Next thing, updates such as updating Windows, checking for updates for other software such as Adobe, Java, etc. Keeping data backups, deleting cookies, emptying the recycle bin should be done weekly. Runs disk cleanup program, runs disk defragmenter and install unused programs should be done monthly. And cleaning the keyboard, mouse and monitor should be done quarterly. And removing dust from inside the computer and renewing antivirus subscription should be done yearly. if you are using these things, if you are scheduling these things with your computer cleaning, your computer never would be in problem. Okay, and continuing every work which you want. Okay. Next question, next topic is protection from viruses using antivirus. This is a very important thing actually. In your computer, antivirus having a very important role for removing the viruses, for smoothing your computers. So you must install, you must use the antivirus in your computer. So first of all, I want to tell you that what is virus. A virus is a malicious code with when executed produces unexpected undesirable and unusual result. Okay, this is the virus. Virus is a file. If you are having your computer virus file, then your computer must be slow and not working properly. Whatever you want, the data will be wrong. Okay, so here protecting a computer from viruses is one of the important aspects of computer security. This is the security if you are using the antivirus program, right? So providing security to a computer is important as it will protect your information from unwanted sources. So if computer security is provided properly, then virus and malware attack can be prevented. This will help to run your programs quickly and smoothly. So a virus is a harmful program which on entering a computer starts creating copies of itself. It then attacks by corrupting the executable files and folders saved on the computer. Similar to a biological virus, a computer virus cannot travel on its own. It needs to be attached with some of other program or executable file to move from one computer to another. Broadly, there are three types of viruses. If you will count broadly, you can see there is the three types of viruses. Now you can see number one, file infector. Number two, boot sector. Number three, macro. So dear student, you can see file infectors, these infect program files. Whatever the program files in your computer will infect. Boot sector virus, these infect the files of operating system. Whatever the files of operating system, if boot sector virus will be attached to your computer, your boot sector virus will erase the programs. Okay, so microviruses, these infect data files. Whatever the data files you are having in your computer, this will infect. The computer virus has some common characteristics. These include the ability to replicate itself, the ability to attach itself to another programs. So, and the need of an external action to active itself. Email, attachments, games, animations, are examples of programs that generally carry viruses from one computer to another. The common symptoms of a virus attack are as follows, means the computer begins to run slowly. Unusual messages and graphics appear on the computer screen for inexplicable reasons. Next thing, music not associated with any open programs begins to play. Some program or data files on the computer either become corrupt or are difficult to locate. Unknown files or subdirectories are created. You can purchase antivirus software which can usually detect most types of common viruses. However, the software needs to be updated generally regularly to remain effective. So here is the antivirus software. Now you should know must what is antivirus software, how will you use in your computer. So antivirus software is used to identify, prevent and take action against malicious programs. You know very well, malicious programs are viruses such as viruses and worms by deactivating or deleting them. If you are having the antivirus in your computer, antivirus will delete the files. Okay. So you need to install antivirus software on your computer to protect it from a virus attack. You can easily purchase antivirus software from the market or download a free version of an antivirus program from its company's website. Some popular antiviruses are antivirus, Quick, Total Security. This is the best actually. That's why I'm writing it. Second one is Norton antivirus. A.S.H.I.R.W.A.D. Next one is okay. So scanning a virus. How to scan a virus with the antivirus? You should see here. Antivirus software allows you to scan selected or multiple hard disk drives or partitions at a time. So folders, subfolders and files under the selected and hard disk drive for partition and scan automatically. So it is recommended to scan the entire hard disk drive or partition once or twice in a week. So perform the following steps. Open the antivirus software application like the Quick, Total Security, Internet Security, whatever. Select the scan option from the navigation pane. Then select the drives tab. Under the scan page, a list hard disk drive or partition appears. Select the hard disk drive or hard disk partition what you want to scan and click the scan button. When you have clicked the scan button, the Internet Security Scan Progress page of Internet Security Wizard appears, displaying the scanning of the selected hard disk drive for any viruses. And next, click the close button in the Internet Security Scan Progress page when scanning is completed. When the scanning is completed, you should close the programs and your computer will be good. So now here we have finished the chapter 3 and we will come with next entrepreneurial skills chapter 4. Okay, so you should continue watch the video, see the video, learn the things. This will help you in exam. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.